Hello, crafty people. So why don't we just deep dive into some fun stuff. Today's pretty simple. We're using the wood rounds again. It's Arteza, and we're gonna use the wood rounds from them, and I pre-painted them. All right, so this is what we're doing, guys. I love this like retro-ish stencil. I thought it was so cute. I really like the stencil. I wanted to make some more like coasters. Like, we don't have a lot of space, and we all drink coffee or tea or whatever. I pre-painted these with the resin paint in black, so they're not sprayed or anything. They got the sheeny shine on there though. You can totally see how shiny that is. Can you see the shine? It's shiny. I am gonna use paste. If I'm gonna use these as coasters, I've got to like spray the heck out of them, and I'll probably put like 3 coats, even though it says like 2 times double. I do light coats, and then I just put multiple of them on to make them permanent. So that's what we're gonna do. So yeah. These stencils are pretty sticky. So you kind of want to get them a little fuzz in the back so they don't give you problems. So I put it back on the backing paper because I'm gonna slide these guys inside. So I'll show you. These are, like I said this before, they have ridges. They're kind of ribbed. With the paste, what can happen, or anything for that matter, if you're using paint, it would do the same thing. It can get underneath. So we're gonna see how it goes. Ho ho ho. Can you see it? I got just a little bit of bleed. Look, see that right there on that ridge? But I'll show you if we can fix it. That one turned out nice. Look at that. This one turned out very nice. See that? Very nice. I love it. Okay. It's a little off center. It turned out really nice though. I love it.
I love it so much.
Okay, now I'm gonna show you. Now I have paste on this, so I gotta wipe that off in a minute. This is like a tin thing that I got at the Dollar Tree, and I just have this sitting off to the side. Now you don't wanna like let these sit in water for too terribly long, but while I'm doing my live, if I have multiple, I just stick them in the water, and then I take them out to the sink. I use a stencil cleaner that Magnolia sells. These work really nice because they have the bumps. Like, I cut them up to use them. See, like this? It looks ratty, guys. Typically, you don't want to do too much on the back. Like, this is the sticky side. You just kind of go through. I do it lightly to get off any excess fuzz, but I don't push really hard because you don't want to disrupt your sticky. And see how gross that is? You can just go like this. I'm doing it right in here. See how that was? You saw how it was all coated. I'll clean it some more later. See, that does really good. Cleans it up really nice. So I want to show you because I think I've had people ask me about this. This is pretty well dry. This is how we always used to clean up our stencil signs when we had the studio. We gave everybody an X-OXO knife, and then we would just like hold our breath and make sure nobody like died. But where it's a little fuzzy, you just want to do it really light. But with this paste, it'll come right off. You just kind of chip away at it, but you don't want to do it too deep. This is the problem a lot of people have, is they'll scratch too much, and then they get into their paint. Isn't it cute? They're cute. You could put a little ribbon, glue a little ribbon to the back of here, and these could be just regular ornaments. So you guys all have a blessed one, and we will talk to you later. Bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.